it didn't take too long. Number two, guys, you know how long it's been since I've caught one on a spinnerbait. He's a keeper too. Greg, that one's for you. I was just running down the bank, zero expectations, because the water temperature's only 52.5. I didn't think any of them be on the bank yet, but they always say there's a few fish that live shallow year round. Nice when you can catch them on spinner baits and crankbaits. Third one, got him right at the boat. Didn't get him on camera, he hit it right at the boat. Just a baby.